dries up the sea. Until then I'll always be devoted to you. I'll be yours through endless time. I'll adore your charm sublime. Guess by now you know that I'm devoted to you. I'll never hurt you, I'll never lie, I'll never be untrue. I'll never give you reason to lie. I'd be unhappy if you were blue. Through the years our love will go. Like a river it will flow. It can die because I'm so devoted to you. I'll never hurt you, I'll never lie, I'll never be untrue. I'll never give you reason to cry, 'cause I'd be unhappy if you were blue. Through the years our love will go. Like a river it will flow. It can die because I'm so devoted to you. Almost. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Classic song from the Everly Brothers and Devoted to You, okay? Standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 2nd fret. If you want to play along with the actual original version by the Everly Brothers, then put your capo on fret 4, okay? It's a bit high for me on there, so I've put it on the capo fret 2, okay? Just to repeat that, to play along with their record, put it on capo on fret 4 and play everything I'm about to show you with the capo on fret 4. Right, so let's get to it. So the introduction is this quite a nice little piece. This is quite pretty. Right, so what I'm doing there is I'm sort of forming like an A minor 7th or a partial C chord, if you like, with pinky added to the top E string on the 3rd fret. And what I'm doing is I'm doing some hybrid picking, I think they call this. I'm playing the 4th string with my pick and the 2nd string with my finger. You pluck those together. Then I'm using the pick to play the open 3rd. Then I'm using my finger to pluck the top E string, and then the pick to go to the 3rd string open again. So it's 2 together, 4th on the 2nd on the 4th, 1st on the 2nd, open 3rd, top E string 3rd fret, open 3rd. Right? Then you do exactly the same thing. Leave your pinky on the top E string 3rd fret and play same thing again, but using the open 4th string with a pick and the finger plucking the 2nd string open. Then the pick's playing the 3rd string open, fingers plucking the top E string, and play the 3rd string open with the pick again. So you got slowly, and you play it twice. Okay? Right, so that's the intro. Bit of a pause and then we go straight into the verse. C. Nice easy chords on this. It's in the way we're playing it. So it's C, darling, can you G, count on C, me. Again, till the sun rise. G, back to C, C. Then we've got a run down. F until F. Sorry, F's and F. I'm playing a 4-fingered F. Doubling. I sort of this third finger goes up to the 3rd fret from the capo on the 5th string. Pinky takes over on that 3rd fret on the 4th. You could play a bar chord if you wanted to as well, or a simple F would be fine. Okay, whichever F you want, as long as you're playing an F. Okay, and that's F until E minor, then D minor, always C. Devoted is F, G, stop to C. So the whole verse. Darling, can you count on me till the sun dries up? Yes, see. Until then, I'll always be devoted to you. We go into verse 2, exactly the same to play, different words. I'll be yours through endless time. I'll adore your charm sublime. Guess by now you know that I'm devoted to you. Then we come to the bridge section. And that's D minor, I'll never hurt you. E minor, I'll never. A minor, lie. So it's again D minor, I'll never hurt you. E minor, I'll never. A minor, lie. D minor, I'll never. G, B and C, true. C7, add the pinky to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string there. C7. D minor, I'll never give you. E minor, reason to. A minor, why? D7, I'd be unhappy if G, you were. G7 blue. What I tend to do there is the rundown, because there is a rundown going on, so I much prefer just to play the rundown there. So I'll show that in a second. Let's just go through the bridge again from the start of the bridge. D minor, I'll never hurt you. E minor, I'll never. A minor, D minor, I'll never. G, B and C, true. C7, D minor, I'll never give you. E minor, reason. A minor, to cry. D7, I'll be unhappy if you were blue. I like to do that myself. So what I'm doing there is I'm fretting originally a G chord, but really I'm only using the bottom E string. Hit that bottom note and strum the 4 downwards, really, to the top end of the chord, really. Okay, then leave the pinky where it is on that top E string 3rd fret, and put your first finger down to the 1st fret, the bottom E string. Hit that, and then hit the top 4 strings again. So you got. Okay, then the bottom E string, leaving the pinky where it is, top E string 3rd fret, again bottom E string open, top 4 strings, and then I play the 4th string open. Okay, and again the top 4 strings, keeping your pinky where it is all the time. So you got. Okay, got that? So the whole bridge at normal speed is I'll never hurt you, I'll never die, I'll never be untrue, I'll never give you reason to lie, I'd be unhappy if you were blue. Got that? And we're into another verse again. Through the years our love will grow, like a river it will flow. It can't die because I'm so devoted to you. Now we do another bridge section. I'll never hurt you, I'll never die, I'll never be untrue. C7, D minor, I'll never give E minor, A minor, D7, I'd be run down on G if I were blue. Verse, through the years our love will grow, like a river it will flow. It can't die because I'm so devoted to you. Then we got this little outro, and it's now what am I doing there? It's a variation on the intro, really. So what I'm doing this time is I'm fretting an A minor seventh, if you like, or a partial C chord, just the first on the fret on the second string and fourth string on the second there, right? So just like an A minor seventh, and I'm plucking the fourth string with my pick and the top E string with my finger. Then you play the pick on the third open. Then the top E, that's right. So you've got, then the top E string again, then the third string open. So it's okay. Then I'm putting my pinky on that top E string, third fret, and hitting the fourth string along with that top E string. So it's okay. So then you play that, sorry, fourth string second, that second on the fourth with the top E string, and then that third string open. So far we've got okay. Then we take the pinky off and play the top E string with the fourth again, fourth string on the second fret. So it's and then you haven't done that second on the fourth, right? So start again. Top E. After that, after you've done those two together, the second on the fourth and the top E string, third fret, open third, top E string open, second on the fourth. So you go. Right, and then I'm moving to the third fret on the second string, the B string, and I'm playing the fourth string open along with the second on the second string on the third fret. So you play those two, the fourth string open with the third on the second, third string open, then that second on the third on the second again. Right, and then C at the end. So the whole thing very slowly. Actually, the last one actually could be slightly different. Yeah, on that last one, I think it's best if you play the third string open with that second string, third fret, then the fourth string open, then finish up on that third on the second, so then the C. So the whole thing now is, right, let's do it from that, here with the ending. Or any variation of that you like, okay? So once again I'll play that slowly because it's probably the hardest part of the song. Here we go. Alright, last bit. Any variation of that would do, okay? It's just the way I've done it, okay, but you can do your own thing with it if you like. So there you have it, boys and girls, my take on the Everly Brothers classic song, Devoted to You. for a single acoustic. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.